Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to download and install Opera browser on Ubuntu 18.04 LTS. Okay guys, so what you need to do, you need to open your web browser. So I am opening Firefox, and after that you need to go to this website google.com and just do a search for download Opera. And here we have the first link, download Opera browser from this opera.com. Click on this link. And here we have Opera browser for computers. This is for Windows, this is for Mac, and this is for Linux. Okay, and here we have also this message at the top, recommended version for your operating system. So here we have the download Opera, this button. You can click on this link, and also you can click on this download button under Linux. Okay, so I'm clicking on this download button under Linux. So let me click on this, and here you can see Opera almost ready. So here you can see, here we have the Opera stable this version .dev package. Okay, so what should Firefox do with this file? Okay, so you need to select this save file and then click on this OK button. Okay, and here you can see it's downloaded. So if I click on this show all downloads, this link, here we have the Opera browser. Okay, so let me close this. You can close your web browser. Okay, and if I go to my files and if I go to downloads, here you can see, here we have our Opera this is stable .dev package downloaded. Okay, so let's install this. So to install this we have to open the terminal. Okay, so just right click on the desktop and then click on this open terminal. Okay guys, so here we have the terminal opened. You can also open this terminal by using another method. So let me close this. So just press Alt Control T key on your keyboard. I'm pressing that, and you can see here we have the terminal. Okay, so we have our Opera stable.dev file in our downloads folder. Okay, so we need to go to that, go to the downloads folder. Okay, so if I type ls and then hit enter, here you can see we have the downloads folder over here. Okay, so just type this command cd space downloads and then hit enter. You can see we are in the downloads folder. Okay, and after that if I again type ls command and hit enter, you can see here we have the Opera stable this .dev package. Okay, so in order to install this we have to type this command sudo space dpkg space -i space, and we have to type this, the full name. Okay, so for this we have to type only the few letters Opera, and after that you can press tab key on your keyboard. You can see it's written automatically, and after that hit enter key on the keyboard. So just provide your password. So I am providing mine. After that hit enter key on the keyboard, and you can see it's installing, unpacking. So we have to wait. Okay, so here you can see we have the message. So just do you want to update Opera together with the rest of the systems? Obviously yes. So just hit enter key on the keyboard. So it's installing. Okay guys, so it's installed. Okay, so if I type the Opera over here, the command, and hit enter key on the keyboard, you can see guys, here we have the Opera browser opened. Okay, and if I go to google.com or any website, you can see it's opening and it's working. Okay, so let me close this. Okay, and let me close this terminal. And guys, you can also open this Opera browser by going to your show applications at the bottom left, click on it, and here we have the search box. Just do a search for Opera, and here we have the Opera browser. Click on it to open it, and you can see it's now opened. Okay, and you can close this. Okay guys, so it's now done. And also you can add Opera browser to your dock if you like. So just go to this show applications, just do a search for Opera, and here we have the Opera. Right click on that, and here we have the add to favorites. Click on it. Okay, and after that you can exit from here by pressing escape key on your keyboard, and after that click on this show applications. Okay, and here you can see guys, here we have the Opera browser in the dock. Okay, and you can click on this to launch it. You can see it's now opened. Okay, so guys, it's done. In this way you can easily download and install Opera browser on Ubuntu 18.04 LTS. So that's it guys, thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please support this channel by subscribing to it. Thanks, bye bye.